At Pinsa Love, we are passionate about pinsa. Once you experience a pinsa, you can never go back to traditional pizza. We made a short video to show you how best to cook your pinsa. The first step is preheating your oven to 450 degrees, or as we will say in Italy, 230 centigrade. The next step is to take the pinsa out of the packaging. Do I even need to say this? Once the oven is hot, put the pinsa right on the rack. If you like, put a baking sheet under the pinsa to catch any extra flour. Now the hard part. Wait, watch, smell, and get hungry. It's going to take about 15 to 18 minutes to cook to perfection. Until you've baked a few pinsas, I suggest you watch it through the oven window. All ovens are different, and I couldn't sleep at night if I knew you overcooked your pinsa. It will be done when the crust is golden brown and crispy and the cheese is melted. Perfetto! In Italy, we use scissors to cut the pinsa. That way the pinsa crust does not get crushed and keeps its cloud-like shape. Enjoy! Amore la pinsa! Buon appetito!